So hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Then you can see the right hand side search button. Just click and enter your model number of your motherboard B760M DS3H generation 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Click off the title of this motherboard name. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is your required Windows 10 and 11. So select any because installation process is almost same. Audio driver. And just click to download. Hit the download. It will start downloading in the download box. It will complete. Then after that try to install. So this is audio driver and just open and double click to exe and then click yes. Then it is closed means automatically done. So it is done and close. Chipset Intel INF installer and just click to download. Select click to open and just double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Yeah, it is installing. Then it is close. Then LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Then open and double click to exe. Click on yes. Now this is installing. So wait few seconds. and then close it, and then close. VGA, Intel VGA driver, click to download. So you can see there in the download 770. After downloaded, so you just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click on yes. So now this is extracting the driver. Now this is installing, and then close it.